Hi guys, Meatwad here. Today we're gonna do a commentary on Jay the Jobless Bum's rant on yours truly. Anyways, let's begin.
Hey guys, it's Jay here once again, and today is my birthday today.
You know, I changed my mind. Kill yourself.
And for the birthday special, it will be on Meatwad Studios Productions 2K10 AOPS. Now let's go.
Good lord, let the cringe fest begin.
Meatwad Studios Productions 2K10 AOPS has got to be one of the most horrible users out there. I'm going to give you reasons why I hate him. 1. In his rant on Jeffrey Epstein, he claims that I like him, when in reality, I hate him.
Stop the cap! Stop the cap right now!
2. He calls me out for the most petty and dumb reasons ever.
No, the reason why me and a bunch of people call you out is because you're a creep who's too into kids.
3. He keeps taking me way too seriously.
Again, you're a creep and therefore we need to take you seriously.
4. He even shipped me with Donald Trump. Like, dude, do you not realize that's over a 50-year age gap? And also, that's homophobic.
Bro, how is that homophobic? And aren't you racist?
5. He never stops bringing up my past.
That's because it deserves to be brought up, considering all the horrible shit you've said.
6. Whenever something bad happens to me and he laughs, which proves that he is cold-blooded. 7. He never stops heart spamming me.
And I'll keep doing it until the end of time.
8. He makes pretty bad community posts.
Yeah, you're one to talk. All you do is post stupid shit nobody cares about. Like you crying about a stupid NASCAR race, for example.
9. He never stops making fun of my bedroom. 10. He also makes fun of my nails as well. 11. Not to mention, he also makes fun of Joey Negro as well.
You what the fuck did you just say?
Even though Joey Negro is no better.
Damn, you even repeated it.
12. He keeps bashing opinions to those who like me. Like, seriously, people have the right to support me if they want to.
I wasn't bashing opinions, I was just informing people of the terrible things you've done. 13. When Austin Dillon wrecked out the Chicago street course and I was crying, he laughed at me, which makes him disrespectful. Because that was funny as fuck.
14. He wished people an unhappy birthday. For example, he did that with Austin Dillon.
He low-key kinda deserved it.
Which proves that he is cold-blooded and heartless and disrespectful. And 15. He also takes Austin Dillon way too seriously.
And you treat him like he's a gift from God.
So that's all the reasons why I hate this user. Do you know who likes this user?
Alright, I'm gonna end the video there. Wow, that rant was horrible and hard to sit through. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Bye.